Hello, good morning, all American family. Guess what? It's Saturday, and we are having the hosting the Pearl Clinic, doing the Pearl Clinic here. Pearl Promise is a nonprofit organization that helps single parents, and the car clinic it's a great organization. It's amazing. You guys should check it out. But they can always use donations or, a car that you are done with and you want to donate a car. Basically, they will either, see that if they can help a single mom out by giving them the vehicle, gifting it essentially, or if they can sell it and maybe make the money to put towards another car or repairs or just help with bills, things of that sort. So anyway, that's what we're doing this morning. I will just give you a little sneak peek. Oh, one other really exciting thing is that Kelly and Mark are back. So Mark is out there helping people fix cars, so that's what he knows best. Mark and Kelly are essentially the original owners who started All American back in 1996. And it is so exciting to have them back here. It's huge. So anyway, just wanted to kind of shout that out to them. They're amazing people. They started this whole thing, really. And yeah, so, and Kelly's here. She mentors the single moms and is helping with maybe giving them rides home or anything like that when they drop off their car here today. So I thought that I should shout them out on this video because that's very exciting for me and very exciting for Pearl in general. So I'll give you a little sneak peek into everybody, working in the back. It's really a great thing that these guys do. So let me turn the camera around and give you a sneak peek. Okay. Look at them working. All these cars belong to single mamas. So many people. There's Kelly. There's Ken. Pretty cool, right?